Welcome back. So today what we're going to be doing is a quick install. We're going to be changing up the interior a little bit, removing the Fiona Red leather center console, and we're going to be replacing it with the M Performance one. So stay tuned. Let's get it. The great thing about ordering the M Performance armrest is going to be that it comes as a full kit. So you get the armrest itself. And as you see here at the bottom, the spring system is not on, so it comes with everything inside of the kit. So let's go to the car and let's get it assembled. First thing we're gonna have to do is remove this portion right here, which can be done by lifting the center console armrest and then using a pry tool to get in between here to pull backwards. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna use our pry tool and insert it right in this area and right there, and push towards you in order to pop it off. Now that we've loosened up the rear vent, we're gonna move it to the side. As you can see right here, you have these pins that come across here. We're gonna have to stick a pick tool or a screwdriver, a flathead, in order to pop them out. Before you do this, make sure you move your front seat forward. That way you have enough clearance to get the actual pin out once it's been popped. So we'll do that right now. Now that we've gotten the pins pushed outward, you'll see that they're popping here on the sides. Grab a set of pliers, or you can use your fingers, and go ahead and pull them out. I have this lifted up to kind of relieve some of that tension. See, that's out. Now what we have to do is we have to release the tension right here on this spring. So to do that, I'm gonna lift this up a little bit. As you can see, it kind of releases some of the tension here on this. And we're gonna grab, again, our pick tool or screwdriver, and we're gonna push in to get it out. Now that that's out, we're able to pop this, pop that out. And it's out. As mentioned earlier, everything comes in this as a kit. So you have these white tabs. They're going to replace those current white tabs. I don't think there's a difference in them, but came in the kit, so we're going to use them. So the way to remove them is I'm using my pliers, just popping them off, and come right here, slide it right in. Make sure you hear the click. Next one. And those are in. The next step is we got to get these grommets or guides in here, and as you notice, there's a notch. These also have a notch on them, so these go in with the notch lined up and these outer grooves on the outside, and add these into both edges. Now as you notice, there's these notches also on both ends. They actually come right here and they line up right in there. As you're guiding this in, you're going to be up at an angle. Oh, slid out. So you're going to be up at an angle to get those grooves to match up. And once they've matched up, you can let go, and you can see that it goes up and down. Now that we have the armrest on, you have to put the spring in. So to put the spring in, you have to remember that this lower portion is what latches into here. So we're gonna come here, here. Now, in order to get the spring loaded and in its little groove bit down here, it's going to be easier if we grab the center console, lift up on it to relieve some tension, and then with a screwdriver hit on that bottom notch of the spring to guide it in. Now that we got the spring under tension, we're going to use our brand new pins that came in the kit, and we're going to slide them in to the sides. Now that we got everything set up, test out. There it goes up. Close it, and then just clip everything back in. There we go.